They are dedicated to bringing wellness to the world. Vince Sanders of American Shaman joins me this morning to fill us in on hemp oil. Welcome, it's good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you for having me, Crystal.
So we're talking a little bit about hemp oil. What exactly is it?
So hemp oil contains many phytonutrients. Humans have been using it for thousands of years as a holistic supplement. We extract it from the cannabis plant, and we literally make hundreds of products with it.
I know there seems to be a very broad use for it, and then you also have a very specific way that you make hemp oil. Tell me a little bit about
correct.
What does nanotechnology mean?
So nano scientifically means a particle under 100 nanometers in size. To understand how small that is, the smallest bacteria is 200 nanometers.
Okay.
So our golden zone, we call it the Goldilocks zone, we get as close to 50 nanometers as possible. And the reason for that is we want to increase bioavailability to the max. But if you get smaller than that, science tells us that it's so small that it passes through the cell.
Really?
So now we're going the other way.
Okay.
So as we are monitoring and doing this process, this is a natural product, so it's all a little bit different. It's not like something synthetic that it's X number of hours to create this product.
Sure.
So we have a window, usually about 2 to 3 hours per batch, but we have a particle size analyzer, which is an incredibly sophisticated piece of equipment that uses lasers to analyze how small this particle is and keep it that it's the size of a smallest virus.
And we're looking at some of this. This is part of just your product standards and safety. Tell me a little bit more about that process.
Absolutely. So we operate at the highest standards. We are presently setting up to be certified as CGMP at an FDA 2.11, which is pharmaceutical standards.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll be the only hemp supplement in the world that's operating at that level.
And why is that significant?
But it just shows that we're doing it at the highest level, right? We batch test everything. We test for all heavy metals. We test for insecticides. We test for over 100 different insecticides, as well as all the components of the plant. There's a number of things that we want in balance because they synergistically work together in what's known as the entourage effect.
So you want to be making sure that it is as available as possible, and also you're being held to the highest standards possible as
Absolutely. Well, we want you to be comfortable taking the product into your body.
Of course.
Hey, what's in this? Where did it come from? I think I'm taking it for it's healthy, but you know,
I don't know.
Right.
So it does help to have that testing and all of those pieces in place to make sure that people understand what they're doing is not going to be harmful. And I think hopefully people are doing that anyway, but it's good to have that extra bit of evidence behind your product. And then let's talk about some of those products. What do you have available in your stores?
So we have over 140 different products. I mean, we have everything from canine tinctures, dog food, cat products. We have a lot of different edibles, from cookies and brownies to, the number one products are the water soluble, the nanotechnology.
Okay.
We have a cloud tincture that's in a vegetable glycerin base, but it's also nanotechnology, so it's sweeter, tastes a little bit better. These are natural products, so there's some bitterness and things attached to them. So flavoring helps some people. We have a lot of cosmetic products that people love.
No kidding.
Yeah, very anti-inflammatory for your face and body. Under eye serums, capsules. The list goes on and on. It would be here for an hour if I went through all. And you've got, not to mention, for humans and for pets alike. Absolutely.
A number of different stores as well. So
there's 40 stores in the metro area.
Yeah. Well, it's great to see you and talk to you a little bit more about hemp oil. Also, you can visit them online at AmericanShamanProducts.com or visit one of those, you said 40 stores,
40 stores.
So lots of places you can purchase these products, and we'll also have a link on KCLive.tv later on today with more details. Thank you so much for coming.
Thanks for having me. Thanks, Crystal.
For more Kansas City Live,
tune in at 10 a.m. weekdays on your 41 Action News Station.